The whole thing just lifted up. Literally, like the wall came off the floor.
On this episode, watch us remove a questionably built garage from the house. Then we'll parge the stone walls in the basement and do some painting. Enjoy. So the reason we're actually removing this garage is because it made some problems with the roof. It channeled a bunch of water back onto the original roof. The garage that you see being removed here is an addition. And it was causing leaks in the roof. So that was the first reason it had to go. And the second reason it had to go was just that it was questionably built. They built it out of a bunch of old refrigerator panels. And the whole thing wasn't even anchored to the concrete pad underneath it. You saw in the video before that it just lifted off when we hit it with a skid loader. So yeah, really it sort of just was more of a remodeling than a remodeling situation that we had to undo. So this is the aftermath of taking down the garage. We got it. It was piled there. Hopefully, there's a few other apparent changes, but yeah, this is the concrete pad that the garage was sitting on. This was the old garage door before they put on the addition, and yeah, now it's gone. Okay, so today's job is one of the first jobs that we have for the reconstruction stage of the project. In the basement down here, this house is set into this hill, and so the basement is part of the living quarters. So this block wall sort of steps down on the side of the house, and then above the center block wall, there's flagstone, which you can see on the outside of the house. And it looks good on the outside of the house, but on the inside of the house, it really could use some work. So today what we're doing is trying to make all of this wall look like this.